Hi, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new channel on Telegram and the difference between a channel and a group, a Telegram channel and a group. So now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to be able to stay updated to my new videos. These are the kind of videos I drop on my channel. Outcomes to watch out for in 2025, how to reset and undo custom display scaling on your system. So now let's move over to what we have, how to create a new channel on Telegram. Move over to Telegram, click on Telegram. Here you get over to this place, you're going to see where they said new channel. Now for your channel, now I'm going to just give you an example and show you what a channel looks like. Mini games, just a random name for the channel. Games and prediction hub. Create. So we're going to just skip it for now. It's a public channel, so anyone can find the channel in search and join. It's a public channel. If you want to also make it private, only people with an invite link can join. But we're going to do it private, and maybe game hub and prediction. Okay, game home and prediction. This is what we are going to use for it, and we save it. No, we're not adding anyone here for now. We'll just add, as usual, add a random bot, maybe something like that. Add a random bot to the channel. Add it to the channel. Bots can only be added to channels as admin. You add it and give manage messages, all these things. Add members, no, just for the start. Manage live streams, yeah, you just add them, and this is your channel. Now bear this in mind, you're the only one that can type anything on your channel. You, the creator of the channel, or every other person will only be seeing it. You see the message and not be able to type. This is an example of what I mean. This is a channel, and I'm not the owner of this channel, so I'm a subscriber to this channel. I joined. I cannot be able to type anything on this channel because I'm not the owner. So I'll just be posting, and when anyone sees it, it's just a reaction. It's a reaction that, yeah, someone saw it, and you just get it like views and all that stuff, but nobody can say anything. They can only react to it. Assuming I want to react to this one, I've reacted now. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on my video, like, also share a comment on any topic you want me to talk about. Thank you.